Hi everyone! Today with me I have these replacement filters for a French press, and check these out. They are so incredible and they fit perfectly on my 34-ounce French press, and we're going to be changing it out today. So here is what they look like, nice and sturdy. It has the ring in the middle which helps avoid rips as well. So let's change it out. So the first thing, I'm going to take off the pressing part of my French press and start turning this so I can remove it from the bottom and get the old filter out to exchange it for the new filter. Changing out a French press is actually something I learned recently, and it is so easy to do, you guys. So you just want to remember that the spiral one goes on first, and you want to make sure that you flip it this way so you know which one is up and which one's down. And here is the old filter. As you can see, the filter that came with this one does not have a middle like this one. This one does have a ring, which means that this one is more prone to ripping from the friction of moving up and down, while this one is likely to stay intact for longer. As you can see, mine is a little bit shorter than the other one, but it will still fit on my French press. Assembly again is just backwards, so this one goes in the bottom. It fits through the hole in the middle of the filter replacement. This one has these spirals towards the top, and then I just screw this all back together, and it is ready to be used in my French press. It is that easy. The replacements come with more than one, so it has that one plus all of these, so it's definitely gonna last you quite a while. It depends how much coffee you'll be making, but now I can just push this in to my French press. Then you can see it's a very, very tight fit, so it keeps the coffee from spilling into my water. I really like this product. I got it off Amazon, and so was the French press as well. So I recommend both of these products. Go check them out. They're incredible.